Okay, so I got these eggs shipped down for me from BC, and I'm proud to present that they're hatching. May the 14th, exactly 21 days. And so I think this is pretty cool. Bye. First chick. That was a silkie that hatched. So almost just about there. He's pushing. Oh, there he goes. Here he comes. He's coming out. Here he is. That's our second little baby. See if you can get a better look at it. Okay, so I'm back again. This is May the 15th, and this time I don't have eggs. I just got a whole bunch of little chicks. And the incubator's pretty messy now from the hatch. I cleaned it out. These guys are dried now. Soon ready to move to the brooder in a couple minutes. I'm pretty sure they're mostly all silky or part silky. One of those little black ones are part Seabright, I think. And they're pretty cute. So yeah, there they are. And I'll listen to a video. See you, little guys.